Sometimes a man feels stuck with a woman who doesn't appreciate him. This can make him want to leave. Today, let's talk about how to make a woman regret not valuing you. We're not talking about anything mean or hurtful. Instead, it's about a quiet and calm way that is very powerful and works well. Let's get started. Number 1. When you leave, your value emerges. Are you okay with living like this, being disrespected by someone who doesn't see your worth? It's time to wake up. For her to value you, you need to leave her life without looking back. Many men, out of desperation, stay with a woman no matter the cost. They endure disrespect and humiliation just to stay by her side. This isn't right. You need to make a decision now. No more excuses. When you leave, something powerful happens. At first, she might not notice, but over time, she'll feel the loss. It's not just about money and gifts. It's about companionship, dedication, and emotional support. These are hard to find. Most men today want to receive everything without offering much in return. You were different, and she'll realize that when you're gone. She'll miss your conversation, your care, and the little things you did to make her life better. When those gestures disappear, she'll see it's not easy to find someone willing to do so much for her. Your value, which she never acknowledged, will become clear. The only way for her to understand this is for you to leave her life completely. No dramatic goodbyes, no begging for recognition. Just leave, and time will do the rest. Remember, your value appears when you decide you deserve more and refuse to accept less. Number 2. Focus more on yourself and less on her. Stop wasting time thinking about her. How can you value yourself if you keep checking her social media and wondering if she's with someone else? It's sad. When you realize she doesn't value you, it's time to stop thinking about her and focus on yourself. She will only value you when she sees you don't care anymore. Stop sending messages, posting indirect hints, and stalking her updates. Disappear. Show no interest. This will affect her ego. She'll start wondering why you're no longer chasing her. She'll think, what's he up to? Why doesn't he care about me anymore? And that's when she'll start to value what she lost. Invest in yourself. Use your free time to improve physically, mentally, and emotionally. Go to the gym, read books, learn something new. Do everything that makes you a better version of yourself. She needs to see that you're living your best life without her. But this isn't for her, it's for you. A man who values and takes care of himself is much more attractive. In the end, think more about yourself and less about her. She had the chance to value you and didn't. Now it's your turn to value the most important person in your life, you. By doing this, you become a better version of yourself and make her see what she lost from a distance. Number 3. Allow yourself to meet other women. Do you think waiting for her will change anything? Don't be silly. One of the best ways to make a woman regret not appreciating you is to meet other women. Go out, have fun, and let other women see how great you are. But don't try to find someone to replace your ex right away. It's not about finding a substitute. It's about freeing yourself and valuing yourself. Go on casual dates with no rush and no pressure. You're not looking for another woman to fill the empty space your ex left. If you made mistakes before, why not start fresh and do things right with others? Show yourself as a new man, more confident and focused. You know what will happen? She'll see another woman appreciating you something she didn't do. That will make her question her own choices. And all you have to do is live your best life. Stop waiting for your ex to value you and chase after you. That might never happen. Some women only want to get things and not form real connections. When they realize they can't take advantage of you anymore, they'll move on. If she changes her mind and comes back, at least you won't have wasted time waiting for her. You'll be busy living your life, meeting new people, and being happy. Number 4. Don't forget your social life. Are you going to let your social life disappear because of a woman? That's not okay. Many men get so caught up in their love life that they forget about their friends, family, and what truly matters. They end up alone, trying to win back a woman who doesn't value them. This needs to stop. Your social life is important. It shows that you have a life beyond your romantic relationship. Keep hanging out with your friends, planning events, and enjoying time with your family. Don't let your romantic troubles affect your social life. The happier and more fulfilled you seem, the more she might regret losing you if she still cares. Seeing you happy and at peace will make her realize what she missed. Don't neglect your social life. Plan barbecues, invite friends, take trips, and join events. Stay active and show that your life goes on. True happiness is the best response. It's not just about making her regret. but about living fully for yourself. Don't let a breakup ruin your social life. If she truly cares about you, she'll see what she lost when she sees you happy and fulfilled without her. And if she doesn't care, at least you'll be living your best life with people who truly matter. Go out, have fun, and live fully. That's what really matters. We've reached the end of this video, and I hope you understand the importance of valuing yourself and making strong decisions. Remember, you don't need to settle for less than you deserve. Go out, live fully, and show that you're valuable. If she didn't see that, it's her loss, not yours. Now, I'd like to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment below and tell me what you think. Your feedback is very important to me. And don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it, or dislike it if you didn't. Both motivate me to keep bringing real content for you. See you soon.